स्वदेश वी द पीपल। यूं तो सारे सुख हैं बरसे, पर दूर तू है अपने घर से। When art imitates life and the life hopes to find a way out of its existing crisis, you get to see movies like Swades. The Ashutosh Gowarikar directorial classic is a cathedral of social commentary weaved through a personal journey of transformation. Every character portrayed is archetypal. Even SRK, Mohan, with his flawless touch, is classic yet relatable. As he adapts to what contemporary India is, we all get attached to the compassionate and gentle storyline of Swades, its humanity, satires, and attempt to disintegrate the social barriers. मेरे आंसुओं का स्वाद मोहन बाबू मेरे मन का नमक ही समझता है. In its cinematic profoundness, this movie throws at us poignant poetries. It educates you. Harmony, equality, child marriage, Indian customs, education, cooperation, poverty, rights to women, and caste system. This movie touches everything. Beautifully summarized in the words of K.P. Saxena, who writes, जो कभी नहीं जाती उसी को जाति कहते हैं. The honesty of visions comes out clearly on the broad canvas with मोड़ गलत नहीं होते, इंसान गलत होते हैं. This movie vividly depicts what social leadership is all about. A man making complaints transforms into a person aiming to mend what is wrong with the society by being a productive member. He works as a servant and he leads. Necessities like water and light have been intelligently used to unite people and drive a collective consciousness. Power and efforts of the collective mass get celebrated at the end and not apni chaukat ka diya giving light to neighbor's house. A.R. Rahman and Javed Akhtar give life to the visuals. Mohan's lack of purpose and loss of identity is carried out by the arresting background score. Melodies, instrumentals, and honest lyrics bring out the sincerity of this artwork. Words have been lucidly tied to transcend the songs across. These are endearing, enriching, and triumph the spirit of देख तच के पाप रावण राम तेरे मन में है. This movie evokes a plethora of emotions and even comes close to Bimal Roy's Do Bigha Zameen on that account. यादों के पालने में कोई खोई खोई बात है. ओ निंदिया, अब आके तू मेरी बीती लोरी गा के मेरे खोए सपने दिखला दे. The last thing that you might expect from an Asake movie is him singing a lullaby. Dressed in whites, pictured with a dull green wall background, off-white curtains, blue night skylight, Udit Narayan, Sadhna Sargam, this is as authentic as it is picturesque. I will curse myself if I finish this without Kaveri Amma, who defies even Rumi by giving to others from the depths of her well and not just from her overflow. An affable persona who resonates as a caretaker and yet is a selfless maternal figure, adding subtlety to Geeta and naive Chiku. There are many heart-wrenching sequences in the movie, like Mohan buying water from a kid at a railway station, meeting with a dead-ridden family, Mohan's longest goodbye to Kaveri Amma while he leaves for the US, and finally, the lightning of a bulb from the electricity which the dam created by the villager generates. When the old lady with the numerous wrinkles says, Bijli, the earnestness of intentions comes out as tears. So this is and will always be an inspiring testament to the never-dying human spirit.